Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you this system called Digital Wealth Pro. So, guys, I started this system like a few days ago, and I'm still working on this system. So today, what I'm gonna do, guys, this system gonna help you make $800 a day. Okay. So what I'm gonna do with this system here right now is I'm gonna give you bonus traffic. Okay, to your affiliate link with this system. So I'm going to tell you how you can get this bonus click. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the results that I have been getting with this system called Digital Wealth Pro. Okay, so this $800 that you are seeing, this $800 came yesterday night. Okay, and if I go to the next, this is another person by the name of Sanjeet. He got $800 commission as well, as you can see here. And then this is another person by the name of Mary. She got a $400 commission in her jail account. Okay, and then this was me again a few days ago, and I got two commission of $400 each through Cash App. Okay, so basically, guys, this program, this system, the best part about this system is they have sales closing call center, which means that their call center closes the leads, the traffic that you send, and they close the sales for you. Okay, you don't have to talk to anyone, you don't have to follow up with them. Okay, the call center closes the sales completely. Here is the thing, guys, on the system, the Digital Wealth Pro, there are three levels. Okay, the one is bronze level, and the second is gold level, and the third is platinum level. So these are the three levels. So like on bronze level, the fee is $200 and $97 is admin fee. Okay, so you pay this fee and you come at bronze level and you make about $200 per commission. But here is what I did. Okay, I directly went for the platinum level. Okay, so at the platinum level, the fee is $800 and the $197 as an admin fee. So here you get 100% commission. Okay, which means that the $800 commission that you are seeing here that I got last night, I got it because I'm at platinum level and I got 100% $800 commission. Okay, and this person, he also got $800 commission, which is 100% commission. So he got it because he is also at platinum level. So what I would recommend is go ahead with the platinum level if you want to make this big $800 commission, 100% commission every time. Okay, and now here is the thing, guys, this system, they provide you done for you landing pages. Okay, it's completely made. You don't have to create your own landing pages, you don't have to buy any ClickFunnels or any other kind of things. Okay, this is pre-made landing pages. As you can see here, this landing page is pre-made. Okay, so here is a video. Okay, and here is again, this is another landing page that they provide you full name, email. Okay, so and here is another example of the landing page. So basically they provide you these landing pages, so you don't have to create a separate landing page. Okay, and good thing is you can get paid by a Cash App, you can get paid by Venmo, you can get paid by Zelle, you can use PayPal, you can use Stripe, you can take payment through any method, it doesn't matter. Okay, so guys, what I would recommend you is if you wanna make those big commissions, go ahead with the platinum level, and after you have joined the Digital Wealth Pro at the platinum level, okay, follow the step 2 and message me your affiliate link. Okay, so once you will message me your affiliate link, I will promote your affiliate link for 100 clicks. Okay, I will go ahead and I will buy 100 clicks. Okay, a unique buyer for your affiliate link. Okay, for your Digital Pro affiliate link, and that's how you're gonna get a head start, that's how you're gonna make some commissions. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you want to make this big commission, this $800 commission, this $800 commission, or even this $400 commission, go ahead, join the Digital Wealth Pro at the platinum level, and then message me your affiliate link and I will buy the 100 clicks for you. Okay, and the really cool thing is once you are driving the traffic to your affiliate link, you don't have to do much. Okay, because their closing call center, okay, they will handle rest of the part and they will close the sale for you. Okay, so it's completely automated. It's completely on autopilot. So go ahead guys, follow these two steps and message me on Facebook.